Performance management is becoming more agile because businesses are becoming more agile as they need to adapt to the ever-changing nature of the business and also the uncertainty of future events. So feedback is really becoming real-time, and also goals are changing throughout the year. Moreover, we see a change in the conversations themselves. They are more frequent nowadays. They are more focused on development and are future-oriented, and also they are more personalized. So we go away from the one-size-fits-all approach. So in a nutshell, coaching is central because, first of all, it develops employees. Second, it helps often to get to better solutions. And thirdly, it allows managers to not always be the expert in the field. And last but not least, Gallup figured out that if you have frequent coaching conversations, you increase engagement. And this, as we know, is linked to productivity. So many good reasons why managers should really stop telling their people what to do and start coaching them. The keys to a really good development strategy are that you building on the self-awareness of your employees and your managers. You really help them to identify where the strengths and shortcomings are. You also focus on the people managers because they are the ones that are building innovative, high-performing teams, and they are responsible for managing, developing, and coaching your people. So you really need to focus on them and get it right there. And then in a digital context, engage them in self-directed learning and make sure that the training you're providing is bite-sized.